Meet Bonnie, a waitress, quick on her feet, and almost always smiling. So far today, she served 8 coffees and heard the same roadside story 3 times. What Bonnie really needs is a break. Maybe a nice homemade milkshake.
How about extra caramel?
Right, with extra caramel.
Wait, did you just hear me?
Bonnie is smart, efficient, always one step ahead of her customers.
And she finally gets a real break?
Well, why not? Bonnie finally gets a real break.
We ain't got forever, but this feeling right.